Hello, Dual Diploma United States History students. Today I'd like to show you what you're expected to do for the first semester of United States history. The very first thing you should do in your United States history course is, of course, take the pretest. But remember, this test does not count towards your grade. It's just for us to get prior knowledge of your United States history. Once you've done that, for the first semester, you're only doing 3 modules. The first module is an expanding nation. The first one is Chapter 1. You then click on Chapter 1. In Chapter 1, it's broken into Section 1, Section 3, Section 4. In each one of these sections, there are no assignments to complete, just material that you should read. There's also videos and interactive activities for you to do as well to help you learn about this time in United States history that was occurring in the northern part of the United States. Now, where it says assignments and assessments, this is where you're going to find the activity that you need to complete that is due this Sunday. If you click on assignments, you have assignment 1, Creative assignment, invention, advertisement. If you click on the circle, it will then take you to this. It even tells you to click open. Once you click open, it gives you your instructions. You then click on the pencil, and it'll give you the directions for your assignment, your project guidelines, and your grading rubric. This is one way to look at your assignment, or click on the clip. Click on Assignment 1, Writing Assignment, Invention, Advertisement. It will then open up, download so that you can open it. Once it opens, you can have the same information that you just saw in Buzz. This one gives you background information about the Industrial Revolution. It's telling you that after reviewing the information in sections 1, 3, and 4 that you read in Chapter 1, you're going to choose one invention listed below that was introduced during the Industrial Revolution or Transportation Revolution between 1790 and 1860. Once you've chosen an invention, you're going to research it using information found in Chapter 1 and credible internet sources. After you've completed your research, you're going to write a paragraph. Remember, your paragraph needs to be between 5 and 8 sentences in length for the one invention that might have appeared in a magazine during that time in history. Include technical information about the product, including how it operates, what it does, how it will help other businesses. And please remember, do not use Wikipedia. That's not a credible source. So you're going to create an advertisement. Your advertisement should be a minimum of 1 paragraph in length. Your advertisement should include the following information: the name of the invention. What does the invention do? How does it operate? How will it help businesses? And why should the business owner purchase this product? You should also include a picture or drawing of the invention. You may choose, these are the inventions that you may choose: a steamboat, a water frame, a steam-powered train, a telegraph, a sewing machine, a steel plow, mechanical reaper. And then this is how I'm going to grade you. Here is the rubric that tells you how I'm going to grade you. I give 20 points for describing the invention, making sure that you include technical information about the product, how it operates, what it does, and how it will help businesses. I give you 10 points for including pictures, a catchy headline that grabs the reader's attention. Support. Tell me where you got your information. Cite your sources. I sent you an email today showing you how to cite sources. Make sure you tell me where you got your information. Next, 10 points for spelling, grammar, and correct punctuation. That your descriptions are in complete sentences, and it's a clear and fluid presentation. It feels complete after reviewing it. So this is all that you have to turn in for United States history for this Sunday. To turn in, You're going to go to Submit Dropbox and attach your document and hit Submit. And that's all that you need to do for the very first chapter 1 in Module 1 that's due this Sunday. Next week, we can talk about Chapter 2 assignment that will be due the following Sunday. As always, if you have any questions or concerns or need my help, please email me or contact me on Skype. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend.